This is my favorite, Mama, because it smells good.
Wow!
Hi mommies! If you're also super particular sa mga ginagamit natin for our little ones, you might want to check this out. Lagi kasi akong naghahanap ng products na gentle, reliable, and bagay sa everyday routine ni GK. And today, share ko sa inyo some of our Peebo Baby favorites. Let's start with bath time. This is the Peebo Baby Vegan Body Wash. Ang gusto ko dito, all-in-one na siya for hair and body. So hindi na kailangan ng maraming products sa bath time. Gentle siya gamitin and helps keep the skin moisturized. Plus, may mild and gentle scent din. Perfect for our little ones' everyday bath routine. After bath naman, ito yung Peebo Baby Vegan Moisturizing Cream. Kapag feeling ko kailangan ni GK ng extra moisture and TLC sa skin niya, ito yung ginagamit namin. It helps correct, repair, and condition the skin while helping soothe discomfort. For everyday face care naman, we have the Peebo Baby Vegan Baby Cream. I like using this as part of GK's daily skincare routine because it helps keep her skin soft and healthy looking and helps prevent roughness and spots. Of course, hindi lang skin ang aalagaan natin. Hair care din. This is the Peebo Baby Vegan Hair Oil. It helps keep the hair soft and fuller looking and is great for dry strands, tangles, frizz, and flaky scalp. Now for us moms, alam naman natin na wipes are a must-have. One of GK's favorites is the Peebo Baby Strawberry and Cream Baby Wipes. Super soft and gentle ng sheets.
Smells good, Mama.
And if you prefer something unscented, especially for newborns or sensitive skin, they also have the Peebo Baby Pure Water Wipes. So ayan mga mommies, from bath time, skincare, hair care, hanggang quick clean-ups, Peebo Baby has different baby care essentials that you can add to your little one's routine.